Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about one of kids' favorite breakfast recipe, Idiyappam Stew. This is a traditional dish originating from South India and in some parts of Kerala it's called Nool puttu. This is a healthy and nutritious recipe with only few ingredients like rice flour and water, and some people add grated coconut to this. As it looks like noodles, kids would definitely love this, and this is usually served with vegetables too. So let's see how I'm going to make this. First we can start with making of vegetable stew. The ingredients needed are 1 onion finely chopped, 2 potatoes cut into squares, 1 carrot cut into small pieces, 1½ cup of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic, 5 green chilies, 6 shallots and few curry leaves. Take a pressure cooker and add potatoes, onion, carrot, ginger garlic and green chilies, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1½ cup of water. Audio Jungle. Mix all ingredients well and cook on low flame for 5 whistles. We can also cook this in a pan with a closed lid, but it will take more time. Now we can take coconut milk out of coconut by grinding this with a cup of water. Grind for at least 2 minutes so that all milk comes out of the coconut. After 5 whistles, when the steam is completely gone, open the lid. Our potato mixture is cooked nicely. Now we can switch on the flame and add coconut milk to this. Audio Jungle. Adjust the salt if it's low and switch off the flame when it starts to bubble. Audio Jungle. Now let's stir the curry. I have heated 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. To this add finely chopped shallots. These fried shallots gives an amazing flavor to the stew. When the shallots become dark brown in color, add curry leaves. Our tempering is ready. Now we can add this to vegetable stew. I think this tempering gives a beautiful look to the curry, and the aroma is so good that it combines well with the vegetables. Our vegetable stew is ready. Now we can start with idiyappam. Take 2 glasses of roasted rice flour in a wide bowl. I have taken this glass for measurement. You can take any measurement cups for this, but in the same cup add 2 cups of water for making the dough. Audio Jungle. Boil 2 glasses of water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Audio Jungle. Add little by little water at a time and stir with a spoon. To get more tastier and soft idiyappam, we can use good quality roasted rice flour. If you have a regular rice flour at home, we can roast it by frying it in a pan. Also make sure the water is boiled before adding into rice flour. It will make the idiyappam more softer. Transfer this mixture to a wide plate and let it cool slightly. When the mixture is slightly warm, we can start kneading it to a soft dough. I have added 1 teaspoon of oil to blend the mixture nicely. Audio Jungle. Kneading it as much as possible will make the idiyappam more better. So the mantra behind a perfect idiyappam is roasted rice flour, boiling water and a warm dough. So the kneading is over. You can see the dough is too soft. This is the idiyappam maker I am going to use now with a noodles mould. Take a idli plate and grease it with oil so that the dough won't stick to the plate. Make a cylindrical shape out of the dough and fill it inside the idli maker. Close the lid and start pressing in a clockwise direction to get the perfect shape. There is another tip that we have to take care while pressing. The idiyappam dough should be slightly warm, else the strand would break. These are the finest strands of idiyappam one can ever make, and this tastes awesome than the thick ones. This is another type of idiyappam press I have. Both of the idiyappam makers are available on Amazon and links of the same are included in the description of the video. Fill this with dough and the blue arrow should be in line with the handle. The strands of this idiyappam maker is thicker than the last one. Place the idli mould in steamer and steam for 10 to 12 minutes. Our idiyappams are ready. We can give it to kids with sweetened coconut milk and is a good combination. You can serve this with any sort of veg or non-veg curries, and in Kerala it is usually served with vegetable stew. There you go. Now you can try idiyappam and stew for your next breakfast and let me know. Bye bye.